Call me crazy, but I want to replace my phone. More often than not, my phone is a time-sucking black hole. I'll go to send a message, and then I'll come up for air after spending an hour on Reels. People in the AI space are going kind of crazy because Rabbit with the R1 is making what's functionally a digital butler. Here's some of the things about this new technology that are game-changing, and stick around because the last one's actually the best one. The first thing is that the barriers to infinite information are coming down. When I have a dedicated camera, I'm way more likely to actually take pictures than when I just have my phone. In a similar way, I never use Siri on my phone at all, but I could see myself using the R1 constantly. And it's supposed to be much faster than Google Lens. The second thing is that when you have an AI that can actually go out and perform tasks, administrative work is going to completely change. Because everyone can now basically have a digital butler. And the most interesting one for me personally is that it's going to completely change the entire marketing and advertising landscape. Because now all that matters is being first. When there aren't any search terms, you need to be the one that's either first of mind for the customer so that when they ask the R1, you come to mind, or you're the first thing that the AI recommends. Because when it makes recommendations, it's just saying one thing. How do you think this technology is going to change things?